sobrang ganda ng view. Hi everyone, I am Ken Manansala, Senior Property Consultant from MegaWorld Corporation, and in this video, I'm gonna be touring you with one of our office space here in our township. It's called One Corporate Place. So in this area is actually nandito tayo sa General Trias, Cavite, one of the biggest development township ni MegaWorld dito sa South. And today, tutur natin one of the units na available dito sa One Corporate Place. Tara! So welcome to One Corporate Place. So upon entering the main door, actually meron tayo ditong walk-through metal detector for added security sa lahat ng mga employees or even lahat ng mga tao papasok dito sa One Corporate Place. So here naman in this area will be the look for the main lobby. So this will be the look for it. And then in this area naman, this will be the concierge. So whenever you wanted to ask something from the people who will be assigned in this area, pwede tayo makausap yung mga tao dito. And now, dito naman tayo sa part na to. So this will be a key card turnstile. So for employees, itatap lang nila dito yung kanila magiging card so they can enter this area naman going to the elevator. So dito naman, as papasok tayo dito sa area na to, there will be a total of 6 high-speed elevator. So going up, so as I mentioned, this OCP has a total of 17 floors. So let's go to the main unit to see the actual unit. So right now we are here on the 12th floor and we're going to see the actual unit for one of the office space dito sa One Corporate Place. As I mentioned, this unit is actually a rent-to-own already. So if ever you wanted to start building your own business inside this OCP, pwede na kayo makapag-start. So let's go to the unit C. So this one has a total of 91 square meter. So this one is actually a bare shell deliverable. So as you can see, sobrang laki ng unit for a 91 square meter. So yung mga nakikita natin mga pipelines in this sa taas, already part na siya ng deliverables once ma-turn over na sa inyo yung unit. So here, dito sa part na to, as you can see, this will be allotted for your toilet. So if ever you wanted to put toilet dito mismo sa unit niyo, possible, but there will be a common toilet that I'll be showing with you later on sa paglabas natin sa unit na to. So here, as you can see, sobrang ganda ng view. Here, nakikita natin yung Manila Bay in that area, and then it's actually facing the Maple Grove Parade. Yeah, sobrang ganda. And as you can see dito, very green. So whenever you wanted to work here, as you can see, just look at the window, sobrang relaxing niya na. So if ever you wanted to improve something here, pwedeng-pwede naman. And it's up to you kung paano mo siya mapapaganda yung office space on your end. And later on, we might be giving you sample pictures kung paano yung mga finished na unit na meron ng mga upgraded deliverables dito sa unit na to. Hi everyone, right now I'm going to show you the amenities for One Corporate Place. But before that, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung pinakang common toilet dito sa pinakang floor na ito. So here, as you can see, there are actually 3. We have here for male, the female, and then for PWDs. So here, this will be the look for the toilet sa ating PWD. Ayan. So as you can see, meron tayong bowl dyan, the toilet bowl, and then for the mirror. Also here to give you the example look for the female, ito siya. Ayan. So we have a total of 4 cubicles that you can utilize. And dito naman, there are actually 3 mirrors na pwede nyo gamitin. So if ever na in your room, kasi as I mentioned, you can utilize also the allotted space for that, for your toilet. Pero if ever you wanted to maximize the space, pwede nyo nang huwag nang pagawa. You can actually use this kasi every floor dito sa building na to, there will be allotted common toilet para magamit ng mga employees. So currently, actually, meron na ditong like gumagamit na ng office space. So behind me is actually one of the example of unit na may mga deliverables that are upgraded na. But this one kasi medyo private, so we don't want it to, take advantage of their privacy. So just the main entrance. So right now, we are here in one of the amenities for One Corporate Place. So we are actually in the roof deck, so 17th floor. So as you can see, this will be the space allotted for you guys. So if ever you have free time or gusto nyo wanted to unwind from the stress of work, so pwede kayo pumunta dito to see the location of the whole township of Maple Grove. So actually, in this area, makikita natin yung pinaka Maple Grove Parade. Ayan, so on the other side naman, this will be the Maple Grove Commercial District. So many businesses in the future that will soon to be established sa area naman na to. So here, sobrang dami nating location. So in terms of this area kasi maraming plants. So you wanted to relax and unwind. So you wanted to know, hindi mo na iisipin yung mga work mo. So pupunta lang tayo dito to unwind. Actually, pwede tayong umupo dito to talk with friends or even workmates. So this is the good thing about this area or one corporate place because it has amenity like this kasi may mga companies or office space na walang ganito. So this one is a good thing if ever you wanted to look for a property na the office space for itself. So pwede mo na siyang ma-maximize for your own steps. Now we are here on the 6th floor. So this area will be allotted for a podium parking. So if you wanted to avail a parking slot for this, there's actually available since separate siya from the unit for the office space. So actually you can see here, sobrang ganda ng location dito and there's actually speakers. So I don't know if you can hear it. So that's the good thing or the advantage of this area is like hindi siya sobrang tahimik. So there will be a sound coming also from the lobby. So similar siya. Kung anong sound sa lobby, it will also have the same here sa mismong podium parking natin. So ito yung pinakang look na for the whole parking. So this is the end of our tour video for One Corporate Place. So this property offers a rent-to-own term, so you can already move in if you want to. So if you want to know more about this project and to do a site visit to see the exact unit, please send me a message. All my details are being flashed on your screen. Once again, I'm Ken Manansala, Senior Property Consultant from Megaworld Corporation, and I'll be helping you finding your perfect investment in your office space here in Maple Grove.